Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a scrapbook process video for you using the Ali Edwards Story Kit, and this is the kit Learn. So I am using white basil cardstock. It's just the white one, and I am placing where I think I'm going to put my photo. So I'm using the Mustard Seed Distress Oxide. I'm trying to get into multimedia a little bit, or multimedia, excuse me, mixed media. So I'm using a blending tool and I'm just blending around where my photo is going to go. I'm not being precise about it, and you'll see in the middle there it has all those sponge marks, the circle marks, and I'm okay with that because that's where my photo is going to be placed. So I just want to make sure that it's going to be surrounding my photo. Then I'm just taking a paintbrush and water and I'm dabbing it, and I'm sprinkling water drops on there because it does interact with water. So I'm using my We Are Memory Keepers typewriter, and I'm going to do my journaling on there. I noted with a pencil where my picture was going to go, and this is what I journaled. And these are jumping off points from her Story Kit class that I take online, which is part of the subscription. And if you do not subscribe to Ali Edwards, I highly recommend you do because your scrapbooking and your journaling will go up another level. So I documented, due to the pandemic, the kids started the 2020-2021 school year at home. I had purchased 4 desks to go in the playroom and put them across the wall. They each have headphones so they can individually be on their Zoom calls without the other kids being distracted. The schools have not talked about coming back to campus. They say they will wait until the numbers of COVID cases in San Diego go down. Lord help me be patient with these kids. So now I'm using the journaling cards that came with this kit, and I'm going to use those to back up my photos. So I'm using this green one because I know I'm not going to use this in my Project Life kit. So I'm just using this to document or to back up my photos, and I'm using my ATG adhesive gun to adhere this down. I'm going to adhere this to right above the journaling, and I'm using the acrylic word Learn, and I'm going to adhere that to the top of my photo. And I deliberately took a picture with all that white space in the photo so I could do my journaling on there, but I'm going to use this acrylic letter Learn or word Learn. Initially, I didn't know how I was going to be using this photo. I just took a picture on the first day of school, but it worked out perfectly for the Learn acrylic to go across that as my title. I'm using some Stampin' Up! Foam dimensionals and adding it to the corners of my photo to add some dimension. And of course my Learn moved. Everything moves. I need to have repositionable tape for everything because everything moves. So I'm going through the embellishments that came with this kit, and these are rubber words and ephemera. I'm using the word stories and I'm putting it to the bottom right hand corner of my photo. Then I'm going to take 3 leaves and I'm going to add it to the top left hand corner of my photo. Now these are kind of thick and I do end up layering them a little bit, and I'm using my Tombow Mono multi-adhesive. This is a great adhesive to use on anything that's not paper because it's a multimedia kind of a multimedia. Again, I said that. Why am I thinking about multimedia? So mixed media types of products or materials. So it's perfect for that. So I always make sure I have one of these. Then I'm using the felt star that came with the kit, and I'm just going to put it in right above all the leaves there. Now I'm going through the rest of my embellishments that came with the kit, and it says getting the hang of life. I put that in the bottom right hand corner of my layout so that it has a top left to bottom right kind of foundation. And I'm using the One Canoe 2 roller date stamp with the Morning Mist VersaFine. And I like the Morning Mist VersaFine because it's a gray ink, not black. And it matches perfectly with the typewriter color. I'm looking at the stamps that came with the kit, and I decide not to use any of that. I'm using the Jewel Nouveau drops in Limoncello, and I'm putting 3 drops in 3 areas of embellishment. And of course, no layout is done without splattering ink. I'm using the Heidi Swapp Black Velvet, and you can use any black ink for that to splatter some ink. And I call this layout done. Thank you so much for joining me for this short, quick video, process video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, and I'll see you next time.